keeping the aquatic vegetation, whether it's invasive or not, it's confined here. You know, so
a certain amount of this cleans the water.
oh yeah, exactly. Hydrilla is great for cleaning water. Sometimes people only see the negative once it's been declared as invasive. You know, people think that duckweed, the duckweed when I'm talking, oh, they automatically, oh, that's invasive. Well, no, there is an invasive duckweed in Florida that's from Asia. But there's 4 different native duckweeds to Florida. There's only 7 native duckweeds in all the North American continent. 4 of them are found in Florida. But there is one from Asia that got loose here, and that's the one that spreads really bad. Well, you guys do have a lot of wildlife here. That's great.
Yeah, and
this
really,
is the most wildlife I've seen on Maine land so far, it seems.
And really, most of them, we not see them right now.
Yeah, I saw a couple sandhill cranes on the way up. Those are always neat, traveling pairs.
We've seen otters. We've seen baby bobcats.
Wow. That's great.
Some of the most gorgeous bucks ever out here.
What a great use of fallow citrus.
So you
land,
see where
know?
the old orange trees.
Yeah. That's why I was just making that comment. Like, what a great use.
And interestingly, when we built this pilot, we talked about pushing all the trees and burning them. And the clearing costs were pretty high, and we thought it would be nice to leave them as habitat. So when all of those trees were in there, you'd come out here and it would just be a blanket of white from birds.
Wow. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking is looking, they're using them as perches.
Yeah.
All the birds.
All they are is just the stumps, but they still use them.
Well, and it's great for foundation too, you know, leaving that root system in there as well. But I just think it's neat how you left it as wildlife habitat.
We've had some people from different companies wanting to build one of these, and most of them will come out here and look at what we did. And I've had one of them tell me, I said, on 1 to 100, how would you rate this? And he said 99.
Oh, absolutely.
So I don't want to stroke Melissa.
No, I would say the same thing.
You know, from 1 to 100, what would you rate it?
99.
And I wrote him all over.
You can't ever say 100 because you can always get better, but I tell you what, you guys have nailed it.
For the time that it took us to build it and the costs that we had into it compared to a public sector job and how long it takes them to do and accomplish anything.
And the weather, on the last part, the weather disagreed with us very much.
Yeah.
We had rain every day, 3 and 4 inches.
How long has this farm been in the making then?
What, like,
as far as the
since we started, Melissa, 3 years, 2 years.
That's it?
We came online, moved down line a little over a year.
Yes.
Year and 2 months, something like that. 3 months.
This pilot cell that we're looking at's been operational for 4 years. The rest of the farm's been operational for a year. And it took us less than a year to build the 4 additional cells.
You'll go straight or right, Melissa?
Probably right.
And the 4 additional cell, how many acres do you guys have total again?
3,000.
3,000 acres. I mean, just look at all the wildlife. It's just amazing. I feel like I'm in the Everglades. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I go to the Everglades and I don't see this many birds anymore. Not since their water's been sick.
The coolest experience that I've had out here was several years ago. We had a bunch of art students from in town, and the kids, a lot of them had never seen an alligator. There was probably, I don't know, 25 kids out here, and the look on their face when they saw a gator for the first time. It was when only the pilot was in place, and it was fairly dry at the time. meant the gators were up on the banks everywhere. And
Yep.
the look on their face was just so cool.
I bet.
And now I've heard, I know a lot about the birds, but